Hi all and welcome to the Henwood Edge. I'm Chris Henwood with North Point Bank, and today we're going to go over do's and don'ts in the mortgage and pre-approval process. We're going to jump right in. We're going to start positively with a do. Do enjoy the process. You are trying to, in the process of buying a new home. So this is a joyful time. Try to make and keep that in your mind as you're going through that each of these things in the process. Try to enjoy them as best you can. Okay, don't make any large purchases. No new cars, jewelry, furniture, leases, boats, etc. This can slow down the process. It can change your debt to income ratio. It can delay your closing. It can affect your credit. So refrain until after closing to make any of these things, especially furniture. There's a big temptation to get and buy furniture, appliances, things like that. Wait until after closing. You'll be better off. Do keep current with all your accounts, okay? Pay all of your existing accounts on time. I can't stress how important this is. Don't get distracted by the prospect of buying a new home thinking you don't need to worry about this house, you're going to be selling this one, and I'm not going to pay the mortgage on time, or I'll just delay it. It's no big deal. It's a big deal. You have to stay current on all of your accounts. It can affect your credit score, it can affect your qualification, and it can delay your closing, and that's the least issue, is delaying your closing. Okay, don't open any new lines of credit, no new bank or store cards, okay, until after closing. Especially around the holidays, you're doing your shopping, you go up to check out, and they say, hey, you can save 20% on this order if you open our store credit card. Refrain that temptation right there, because opening that new line of credit will trigger something in our process, and it will say, hey, we need to assess what this is, how much credit has been done here. It gets added into your debt to income ratio. It can affect your credit score. It can delay your closing. It's always better to wait and refrain. Use what you have, but don't open new ones, all right? Do pay off any tax liens, judgment, or collections. I'll go through all these with you. On your credit report, these will show up, and we'll be able to assess each one, what needs to be done, how to deal with them, so that you can move forward with your home buying process, okay? But it's going to require action on your part. Don't deposit any cash or unverified funds into your accounts. All deposits will require full documentation. So if you're going to sell a collection of items that you've had for a long period of time for cash and then deposit it as part of your home buying process, refrain. Give me a call. We can talk about your situation, how best to manage it, but you don't want to be depositing funds. If your buddy owes you cash from a loan that you made to him, he's paying you back, you want to refrain from depositing them, because it'll trigger where did this money come from, and it can get excluded from the process if it's not documented. So just give me a call, we'll go through it, and we'll talk about what to do in that situation. Do tell me about any gift money you may be receiving. Just like the cash, no. Gift money, yes. Gift money is a great thing. You can get it from a family member, fiance, wife, anyone in your family can give you gifts toward buying a house. It's a great way to get into a home if you're a little tight on cash getting started, but there's some documentation that's required, some steps we need to take. So just make sure you check with me and let me know if you're getting any gift money. Okay, don't overcharge or max out your credit account. This can affect your credit score. So as the higher you get to the limits that you have on your card, your score starts to take a hit from that. It's part of the way that the credit scoring system works. So you want to refrain from maxing those cards out. Buying stuff for the new home can be a big temptation. Resist that temptation. You'll be happier as a result. Wait till after you close to start buying stuff. And even then, I don't recommend running your credit cards up, but certainly don't do it during the process beforehand. Do keep your eye on the goal. It's a new home. All these do's or don'ts can get a little bit confusing, but they're all designed to help you get into your new home. That's what I'm here for, and that's what these are designed to help you with, okay? Don't change your employment situation. Switching jobs can delay your closing. Now, I say this, but if you have to change jobs or you have a great opportunity, there are things we can work around. Just keep in mind that every time you start a new job, we need to verify that new type of employment. We're going to need 30 days of proof, pay stubs, etc., and a confirmation from your new company. That can delay your closing. So if you can postpone a new job change until after closing, great. If you can't, give me a call. We'll talk about the particulars and we'll plan accordingly, and we'll let everybody in the process know as well. But try to avoid changing it if you can during the process. Okay? Do call me with any questions. I'm here to help you. Okay, that's the whole point of these videos. This whole series is designed to give you information to help you be better informed and to make better decisions in the home buying process. So please give me a call with any questions. Again, one size fits all does not exist when it comes to mortgages. Everyone out there is a unique person with a unique situation and circumstance. So there's no such thing as a one size fits all mortgage. Here at North Point Bank, our motto is bringing you home. Our goal is to bring you home, and everyone's different, and that's what these videos are designed to do. So toward that end, call or text me. You can email me. All my contact information is available at the end of this video, as well as I put it up here on the board. So I'm here to answer your questions. Please take advantage of that. And also, don't forget to leave your comments below and any questions or any topics you'd like to see for future shows moving forward. I've gotten some great feedback already. Thank you all for submitting those. And I've already added to my list of shows, which is great. And I want to know what you need to know or would like to know, and I'll make sure that happens. Thanks for watching this week. This is the Henwood Edge. I'm Chris Henwood with North Point Bank. We'll see you next time.
Not a commitment to lend. All loans are subject to credit review and approval. Not all loan programs are available in all states. Contact a North Point Bank loan officer for further details.